Now, I have been in a lot of spaces that claim to uplift student voices, but then we have no say. This is different. This is what it looks and feels like when education is done with students, not to students.
This conference is all about students. You can see young people leading sessions and panels every day during this conference, and they have really shaped this conference in lots and lots of ways.
What I saw was a big step forward in living a commitment to equity. I saw representation on the stage. I saw who was given talk time, who was holding the microphone, the communities that they're from. That reflects who has power. And as we work towards truly transforming schools, we have to contend with power. It needs to be intentionally interrupted.
When I came, I didn't know what to expect. It gives you the feeling of professionals in a space that all want to learn more. And they're all eager within all of the sessions to hear from everyone.
When I come to the conference, I set my expectations like I'm going to come out of here with some gold, and that is going to help guide me to lead me in my work, to do my work best, and it really helps me to hone in on my practice. There's not a wrong turn in any of the sessions. They're all that powerful.
For 30 years, EL Education has been working shoulder to shoulder and in partnership with great educators like are all over this room to co-construct an inspiring new vision of education for America that matters as much or more than it ever has. And it's a vision of education that all students deserve.
There's a place for everyone here. There are many, many faces that are telling their stories, that are engaging, that are smiling and joyful, all in service of doing what's best for kids.
We'll see you in Atlanta!